Welcome to Zayrobo Cartoon, where learning is fun and every smile counts.
Today's experiment, Eco Bike Solar Power.
Solar panels capture sunlight and change it into power for gadgets.
If we use sunlight instead of fuel, we reduce pollution.
Alert! All solar panels in town gone. With all the panels, I'll make my sunsucker machine and own the tag.